Doon muna tayo kay Trillanes kasi siya naman nagsabi na, no, tatakbo siya for mayor sa Caloocan City. So meron sariling advantages yung Trillanes, the brand, no? So tumakbo na sa pagkasenador, nanalo, natalo na susunod, tapos VP natalo yan, di ba? Yung bang ganong klaseng background, would that be enough to, let's say, topple a dynasty? In this case, yung mga malapitan?
The Malapitans are a mighty, mighty dynasty in Caloocan. You're talking about, so again, it's a 4-legged stool. You may have the man, the message. Let's give it to Sentry, no? He cuts a good figure. He's a good-looking guy. He speaks very, very well. Makisig, action star ang dating. He's got a great message. But the machinery and the money involved in running an election in Caloocan, that's a huge, huge place. That's the vote count in Caloocan is huge. To be a councilor there, you need about 170,000 votes. Just to give you context.
Wow, ang laki.
To be a councilor, you need councilor, you need about 170,000 votes there. So,
Alan, sorry, lagyan ka ng context, no? Sa San Juan, mga nasa 80 to 100,000 if I'm not mistaken, ang voting population, di ba? Ganun kalaki.
Laki ng Caloocan. Laki. You guys can validate that data with the past elections. Tingnan ninyo. Hindi ako nagkakamali. So, the machinery and the money will really be an uphill climb for Senator Sani. And I wish him the best. Sir, good luck to you. I know that if we're talking about, motivation, and if we're talking about having your heart in the right place, I know Senator Sani does have that. I'm not saying that the Malapitans don't. Absolutely not. Hindi po ito 1-on-1, 1:1 negative correspondence. But I'm saying, I know Senator Sani's heart is in the right place. Good luck to you, sir, because that's quite a hill you need to climb.
Kung nagustuhan niyo po itong video na ito, paki-like at share na lang po para mas marami pang makakita at makapanood. Kung gusto niyo po makibalita, follow niyo na rin po ako sa aking mga social media accounts na nakasulat po sa screen. Pwede rin po kayo magpadala ng super thanks, super like, super chat at super sticker sa YouTube, saka Facebook stars po. Alam niyo po, malayo po mararating ito para makagawa pa po kami ng mas maraming video na makatutulong po sa pagpapakalat ng tamang impormasyon para sa bawat Pilipino. Kada like, subscribe, follow at share ay pagsuporta po sa tunay na independent journalism sa bansa. Maraming salamat po.